In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Stripe to your bank account quickly and efficiently. We'll be walking through this process step by step, ensuring you have a clear and straightforward guide to follow. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to stripe.com. Simply type that into your address bar and you'll be directed straight to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a Sign In button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your email and password to access your account. Make sure you input the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered them, click Sign In again, and you'll find yourself on your Stripe dashboard. From your dashboard, locate and click on the Home button on the menu to ensure you're starting from the correct page. Next, navigate to Balance. This is where you'll find the overview of your current Stripe balance and the option to manage your payouts. In the Balance section, you'll notice an option that says Add Bank Account. By clicking this button, you're preparing to link a new bank account to your Stripe account. This step is crucial, as it sets up the destination for your funds. Once you click on Add Bank Account, follow the prompts to input your bank account information. Ensure that all the details are accurate for a seamless transfer. If you encounter any issues or need to verify the information, Stripe provides resources and support to help guide you. If you prefer, you can also access these settings through the Account Settings option. Here, under the Business section, you have another route to manage linked external accounts. This flexibility allows for multiple ways to navigate the same process, depending on your preference. After you've successfully added your bank account, you need to manage your payout accounts. Click on Manage Payout Accounts to view your current linked accounts and set your preferences for payouts. The final step involves setting your payout schedule. This is where you decide how frequently you want your earnings to be transferred to your bank account. Choose a schedule that suits your financial planning and business needs. And there you have it, a complete guide to transferring your money from Stripe to your bank account. Following these instructions ensures that your funds reach your designated bank safely and without hassle. If you ever encounter any problems or have questions, Stripe's support team is always available to help troubleshoot and provide assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.